Here's a question. What about the IRS? I love this question. Oh man, they say I got all these taxes and all this stuff. Oh no. Uh, Boy, do I hear a lot of this. And sometimes just absolutely enormous numbers in the millions, hundreds of thousands of dollars, blah, blah, blah. Crazy talk. Okay. So, what is that? Well, the IRS understands this trust perfectly, better than anyone. They issue the EIN for it. They get the whole thing. So, so what does that mean? Oh, all good news. It means you're talking about taxes for an LLC, a person, what have you, some other business entity, okay? And you're like, oh, they're gonna take my business, my church, my boy, everything. They're gonna take everything. No, they're gonna take nothing. Want to know why? You put everything in the trust. Everything. Just put it in the name of the trust, and then. So what if the IRS wants something from your person, that business? It doesn't have anything. No bank accounts, no assets, no nothing. So the IRS quits coming. Why? Because they issue the EIN for this. They completely get what you're doing, and they know they have no recourse, and that's the end of the thing. What about the IRS? Nothing. What about the IRS? Nothing. They're fantastic, really, because they issue the EIN, they get the trust. No clients ever, no students, they never hear from them. Not ever again. That's it. Done. Yay. That's what's about the IRS.